If you have looked at GoHighLevel and felt hesitant about the monthly cost, you are not alone. It is one of the first questions anyone asks. Is it actually worth it? Let me break down exactly what you get and what it costs so you can make that call yourself. GoHighLevel has three main plans. The starter plan is $97 a month. It gives you one account, full access to the CRM, funnels, email marketing, SMS, appointment scheduling, and automation. For a solopreneur or someone just getting started, this is everything you need to run your business. The unlimited plan is $297 a month. This is where it gets interesting for agencies. You get unlimited client accounts, unlimited contacts, and the ability to white label the platform under your own brand. That means you can resell GoHighLevel to your clients and charge them monthly, turning a business expense into a recurring revenue stream. The SaaS Pro plan is $497 a month. This is built for agencies that want to fully white label and resell the platform at scale. You set your own pricing, keep the margin, and run it as a standalone software product under your brand. Now here is the honest answer on whether it is worth it. If you are replacing 5 or 6 tools, a CRM, an email platform, a funnel builder, a scheduler, a review tool, and those tools are costing you $300, $400, $500 a month combined, GoHighLevel at $97 is a no-brainer. If you are an agency with even 2 or 3 clients paying you monthly for software access, the unlimited plan pays for itself immediately. The link to start a free trial is below. No credit card pressure, no complicated setup. Try it and see if the math works for you.